welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious atole. It's a Mexican atole. It's made out of Maria galletas. You know something, this atole is perfect for this cold weather, perfect for the holidays. I know that you guys are really going to love it and enjoy it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have galletas Maria, 1 sugar cone, 1 cinnamon stick, vanilla made at home that you already have the recipe on my channel, regular milk, water, and this is everything we need to make this delicious hot drink. Of course, I'll show you step by step so that you enjoy it with your family in this cold weather, and especially in these holidays when your family comes over and you want to treat them with something delicious and homemade. So let's get started and let's make it at home. I have my pan here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add half a cup of water, and to this I'm going to add my cinnamon stick. I'm going to go ahead and pull it apart, take it to the stove, and let it cook at medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. I am going to continue with the Maria cookies. I'm going to go ahead and just add the whole package in here in my blender cup. We're gonna add it in here. We're gonna go ahead and just make sure that we, make sure that everything fits in there. We're gonna add the whole milk, and we're gonna add enough because we wanna make sure that we blend it completely. This step is very important. Okay, let's blend it for just a couple minutes until everything incorporates perfectly. After a couple minutes, it's gonna look like a smoothie, and that's exactly how we want it. You know something? The cinnamon is already releasing all the delicious flavor, and you could even tell on the water has become a little light brown, and that's exactly how you want it. When the water starts turning a light brown, that's when you know that the cinnamon has released all the delicious flavor, and you could even smell it. You know something? Now is the time when I'm gonna go ahead and remove the cinnamon sticks one by one. Take your time. You don't want to leave anything behind. Once you remove it, add your sugar cone. The sugar cone, it takes about maybe like 5 minutes for the sugar cone to dissolve completely. I'm gonna go ahead and add the mixture that we blended. And of course, do not leave your pan unattended. You want to make sure that you're there mixing it, or else it's going to start sticking to the bottom or to the sides. I'm adding a little more milk, and look at this. The sugar cone, it started already melting. It takes a couple minutes, but don't step away because this atole comes out so delicious that I know that once you try it, you're gonna continue making this delicious atole. And when it starts bubbling, that's when you're gonna go ahead and add the vanilla extract, and you're gonna continue mixing it very well. And by this time, you know something, the atole is already getting nice and thick.
and I'll show it to you from close up. Look at this. Look how it's bubbling off from the sides. Look at the texture. It's really nice and thick, but yet it's very smooth. And of course, I'm gonna just go ahead and taste it to see if I need to add any more sugar to my tasting. This is delicious. And now it's time to go ahead and start adding it to my cup. I can't wait to taste it. I can't wait to enjoy this delicious atole, Mexican atole. And now I am ready for my presentation. So I'll see you in a bit.
Done with this delicious Mexican atole made out of galletas Marias. This atole is perfect for this cold weather, perfect for the holidays. When your family's coming over and you want to enjoy something delicious, well, why not make a delicious homemade atole? But you know that this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. It's really nice and hot and perfect for this cold day. This atole just came out amazing. I hope, my friends, you could give it a try. Try it and enjoy it with your family like I enjoyed here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best, peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious Galleta Maria Atole, and I know that you guys are going to love it. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.